I don't know. Good boy pass me lighter, I am a one feel like it. Yeah man. Opobo land is where we are come from. In a we son say we fear no Babylon. Boys and girls in a me who them tear eyes them a wiser. Pull up in a who say we are killer, we are say Opobo land is where we are come from. In a me who say we fear no Babylon. Boys and girls in a me who say me tear eyes them a wiser. Pull up in a who say we kill and we chatter. Little Rasky, boys so basky. Area mama, I'm on a bonfire. Walk up the ganja, grab boys in the place. See, in a the Opobo see our boys are not smiling. Me I get some basha guys, say the man not smiling. Small is not smiling, attitude is nasty. Boys are so good, boys so nasty. We are running like a smooth criminal. Small, small.
Wait till they come.
Nah,
how far now?
I see they go.
How the ministry be?
Mama like me too, LLD.
Two fingers.
I make two.
I'm no time to waste time. Save that thing. Alright. Confirm. Original man. Nothing
more. Too savvy. Don't you say I don't arrange this little one.
No arrange them again, No, that's arrange them.
I'm bored.
Make I delete,
I don't do that for me.
Don't look at too much before you go season you. Come on. Baba, wait back. Hey, how far are you?
I better throw me some letter, man.
You suppose don't know, say, no letter. No honest. No honest, man, bro. And if men do, I don't gas me that. And if men do, I don't gas me that.
Confirm you.
So how many go there?
Just throw me 5 fingers.
For people will get to Kobo.
What is?
I will the voice then. I know they see anybody. The voice.
I've been a ratty. Honor of this territory where I'm out upon. Only me get right to post any left around this neighborhood. Only me, I'm in it!
Down idea! Who will be? Top shit for there! Them must! We fight for now, we fight for now.
Opobo Ghetto?
Yes. Our substation out there is having much difficulty in containing the excessive lawlessness of that rascally community.
Where do I come in, sir?
I'm sending you over to work with Supal Daniels.
Why me, sir?
Simple. You're one of my most reliable officers. No nonsense, extremely professional, streetwise. And if our people over there are playing any old dirty police tricks, I'm sure you don't cover it. Benita, the spirit of crime in that little community is alarmingly getting out of hand. And the commissioner invited me to do something urgent and drastic about it. I'm relying on you, Benita. You're straight, professional, and smart. If ever there'll be a 007 in the police force, you'd fit perfectly into that bill. And the greatest asset? You're a woman. They would never see you coming.
I'm flattered, sir.
Accolades well deserved.
Thank you.
Now, get in there and get going straight away.
Yes, sir.
Opobo land?
Yes, Opobo Ghetto.
Whatever. Look, I don't like this. Why is the boss sending you to Opobo land?
Police work, Austin, you know how it is. People get reassigned, people get transferred.
Yeah, I know, Benny, I know. I just don't like the idea. I don't like you going to Opobo land.
Why?
It's a tough neighborhood. They hate the sight of policemen. They shoot first and they never apologize. While kids here hawk pure water, over there it's weed, crack, cocaine, and other harder drugs.
You seem to know so much about Opobo land. How come you know so much?
I am a police officer, and I have my ears to the ground.
King Jaja of Opobo. I mean they talk. It dey pain me, say son of man don't fall. But waiting they pain me pass, we say no be the person we follow, but the ones who go follow am go. I don't talk her, man. And that's how it go be.
Now so it be, even in the days of Moses. Person ring you for ear, not be to send him come out. Now so.
King Charger. Oh yeah! Safe journey. May bros J Papa bless the hand where you take carry iron for this kettle. And also the hand where you take mold weeds. Even the mind where you take judge some kind matter for this kettle.
Amen.
We're gonna crash, everybody. Where we go?
When I remember King Jaja, water run away me eyes oh. Oh, when I remember King Jaja, water run away me eyes oh. Water run away me eyes. When I remember King Jaja, water run away me eyes oh. Water run away me eyes. When I remember.
You came highly recommended.
I'm honored, sir.
In Opobo land, anything that has not happened has not been conceived by man.
So I heard.
You've not had anything. What you just heard was just half of the things that take place in this little community. Anyway, I've sent a long memo to the commissioner on how best to tackle the increasing menace. Probably that is why you were sent.
I wish to be briefed straight away, sir.
I will do better than that. Get me Inspector Femi immediately. This is Inspector Benita. Henceforth, she is your new guard commander.
Oh. Welcome, Inspector.
Thank you.
You will take her on a familiarization tour of the whole neighborhood straight away.
Sure, sir.
He knows every inch of this neighborhood like the back of his hand.
Everybody welcome. as we don't bury King Jaja finish so, we say make we do another coronation. Put on top the head where the crown fit.
Na true talk be that. Na so then they do am. Even for Bros J book.
Finally, we do agree say na Alaba na I go wear this crown.
For where? Who side? Who side? That one now Joro now.
The grace.
A lie. Who side they do that kind of thing? Una they talk we. Who are the we? Una we don't old. We una bread don't do. We una don't sin now. Now I want take decision.
Holy Moses. Bros J! Father!
You know I say some people don't high here. They never begin to share drinks now. Una let they share drinks. If na lie, mo na only Moses tire. Na me go wear the crown.
Hey, no talk am. No just talk am. See, woman never wear crown for people before. Tell her.
Shut up, watermelon papa.
Shut up when they talk.
Who they follow you they talk? You want make I ask dog make chop shit remain for you? This pito pot where you put for but if I bust out for you, what did they talk? Don't look face.
You mad? You mad? I don't warn you. You're not too mad. Make shut your mouth when I talk. You hear me?
Which mosquito they yarn?
You look for my shadow.
Mark, I know better for you.
Your papa.
Ah!
You mad?
Which pig? Come up back for mama breast. They talk to me. Ghetto.
You don't think I suck breast.
You ain't supposed to pie. Okay now, no problem. Who vote now? Which of una vote say make this Papa Yongi become the next king? I want to see. Conspiracy of the war.
Yes, yeah.
Okay now, conspiracy.
Any which one.
I can see conspiracy. So now don't they conspire? No yawa now we gonna see now. Conspiracy. Okay.
Zamani! Elder.
Come on, shut up, monkey. This is not so you there.
Come on, get out for you.
God,
but drink your blood now. This side they look face. Elder, see what happen back. As all of them, they land call the boss for you, they don't want prostrate. Leave them make the jet enter hellfire. And they tell you, if you set away the inside, go happy to wake on the last song. Hear me, ba?
Now true talk be that. I dey feel you.
Make I change location.
As elders of this land, Alaba, we crown you as a King Jaja of Opobo land.
Yeah, man. Pull up in a hood, so we are killer, we are land is where we are come from. In a me hood, so we fear no Babylon. But I guess let me hood, so me tear them a wiser. Pull up in a hood, so we kill them with
Hi, Rati. Yo, boy. G for Ginger.
Ratty, my man.
What I go on?
I'm fine, man.
Everything nice.
Everything go well, Ratty. Ratty, just knock me the stamp, man.
Ginger, my man. What stamp? Local or international, Z?
Oh, Ratty, knock me local. Make I take deal with this afternoon.
All right. G for Ginger, my man. Postman, post your letter. All right. Well, have this.
Ratty, this one go very well, Ratty. You my man, man.
Yeah, bro. Stamp that for any letter. See? The express delivery with that. Brass General.
So I'm going, man.
Yes, sir. Yo, G for General.
No, yawa, Ratty.
G for General.
No, yawa, Ratty, man.
G for Ginger. Ginger boy. Postman, post your letter. Postman, post your letter. have? Yeah, let's go back to Benita.
Stop there.
Where is he?
I don't know. Let's say the boy take this way.
How can he possibly come this way? These two would have stumbled into him.
When I not see him.
Did you see anybody?
We're not blind. Which kind of cockroach eye I get?
Hey, you two, this way. Come.
Holy, holy is your name. Sherima, sing it again now. Holy, holy, holy is your name. Sherima, sing it again now. Holy, Baba, holy, holy, holy. Baba, hey, get him.
This is a police. Shut up your mouth. This is my charity. Not your papa house. Your mouth will be police.
You let me drop her.
Yeah,
know you.
This is Popo Lana. Jaja. Now. Before you get shit color. Say put that down. Go spoil your fine face. Put that down now. You dey press for the land. You dey press. If you don't put that down, I will go spray you. One time, put that down. Come and tell you to go find on your father here. Put that down! I will spoil your fine girl.
I said drop her. I'll do your back.
I will spoil your fine girl. Spray you big time. Your father. You carry your tall black on for you.
They don't bath. When
That means Shaku de Naku.
They go wear my color all the blows. I said they don't bath. They never bath. Don't be bad. I say you don't bath.
At a time, bro. We suppose use that female Kelebe go post letter give them for their cabal.
I said everybody pampe. Mama, why your brother? I don't understand. I'm every time going to shout holy. Mama, you forgive me.
So you say, area mama, send him boy, come they drag the Koroweas, mount you, make you go collect. Abi?
So, Pale, I did provoke. I spent on one drag, so I can just pause for my matter. This is a guy jet. I'm a ministry backdrop, and I has to push.
You sure say no be say you gamble with my letters, come they give me story, say you throw it. Because snake no dey born millipede. When him born, in the born the one where resemble him, and he go long like him.
I don't feel choose you.
Make una send broadcast to the other boys. They enter Opobo too. And when they enter in full force.
I hear you. I don't sink and lasso as you cap give me so.
Area mama, they tell you. They terrorize me, they beat me. I dey see your shadow for my sleep, but very soon when you see me double and enter your command in full force. Open this
Madam, get down this
You want
car.
drive?
Get the hell down.
You want drive?
Look. What is wrong with you?
What happened, madam?
I should be asking you that. Why did we fail in getting one of the boys yesterday, and why did our ambush today fail?
Hey, I won't take no.
Look, I was trained in the police college, Ikeja.
I was there too.
I was trained in the CID, grade level A. You were never in that department, I suppose. And if you're not, when I see a mole from afar, I know far off. You made a call yesterday. Do you mind telling me whom you called? Do you mind telling me whom you called? Or you want me to find out from the network operators?
So what do you think you say? I ask you. If you 007, I'll be waiting. See, madam, make I tell you something we don't understand.
You shut up and listen. I will tell you this just once. It's either you repent and work with me to sanitize Opobo Ghetto, or I will expose you and sanitize the ghetto myself. The options are yours. Get in and drive. Drive, I said!
Your impression, Inspector?
A tough territory, I must say. But we can't sanitize the ghetto if we keep supplying them information.
How do you mean?
Our people supply these people with useful information. That's why they are ahead of us. One striking thing is that there are two warring factions who are always ready to fight officers.
So how do we read the area of crime?
Seriousness. We start shooting straight instead of shooting up. We shoot to kill.
Kill?
Yes, if possibly maim. These people are armed, ready and willing to kill and shoot officers. Anybody in possession of illegal arms is an enemy of the state and should be treated as such. That's it.
Area mama.
Stop that rubbish. Stop her. If not joke, me stop her. No, call me that kind of name. Wait.
Would they call them?
Queen Jaja. The only Queen Jaja for the whole of this Opobo. Huh? You hear?
Okay, Queen Jaja.
Even Bros J, my nigga up there, he know who the crown fit. He knows it.
See, what na they talk to say, make una pipe low, ground no level low.
What you make ground kuru kerena? We level am straight up.
See, area mama, no what na they talk. You don't understand. Queen Jaja. That Okeke Ekelebe wey they bring from Eko, it dey hot oh, Natimaya, it dey hot like fire.
Na fire.
Natimaya.
We go take water quench am now. If the water no do, we go throw inside that river wey dey there. You go quench.
You don't understand what na they talk. No be that na they talk. No what na they talk. What na they talk be say, make we pipe low, stop all this drug peddling. Tell that me sleep oh.
Materati to sleep small. Ekelebe. If Rati sleep small, what think Queen Jaja go dey take salt and koro? Asana, may Jaja sleep for where you side.
What you go to they do plenty? What you go do plenty now? If you do bank, you go do bank now or Alaji.
Alaji? Which one be Alaji?
All those people they change money. Deal day now. Now deal day now. Better deal day. Jaja, I beg, make una lie low. The way this area dey now, a rough. That new Ekelebe enter town, that girl na die yo. That Benit and a devil. I beg, make una lie low.
Lie waiting.
Lie low.
Me, King Jaja. Lie low. Come dey waka like rat wey dey pass for corner all the way. Because 1 year Ekelebe show face for we Ghetto.
That gonna be real. Benit and a winch. The original winch.
You know fit who born am? Nobody fit terrorize me. For this Ghetto. And me, the King Jaja. This is my territory.
King. Wetin na dey talk now? Make we for shift our attention go another side. Eh? Okay, you know Alaji wey dey do exchange. Better deal there. Better deal we go pay. You see, you don dey smile. You don hear there.
Now.
Make dog chop at your mouth. By the time when I finish with you, rubbish will change your face. Go turn this your leg to spaghetti things.
Alaba, you suppose don't die, go to your grave.
I dey wait for your RIP.
You dey craze, now you go first. Now I'ma tell you something. Come on for here now, true. Wait for a test, more picking me bath you. I will then stop picking me bath you now. Ross, you know the year. She said you delete. I don't want to take your soul, leave your Solomon. You dey hear so? She say if you don't come up for here now, she go come on your soul, leave your Solomon. Mona way.
Okay, because so short for you now that the land cut the bus.
Alaba, who you be? I ask you Alaba who you be?
Who be this forgetting when you talk? I mean you talk.
At the grace, not the talk to you.
Come on here.
To myself. At the grace.
Come on here.
No, I'm sorry, sir.
Come on here.
Thank you, sir.
Alaba, na phone you should carry for head. You know the smell. More na jet your way. This is for pikin.
Una dey land on the bus for you.
Na that your yeri.
Hey, talk to you, make you listen. We need to talk to worms now.
Who be Alaba? Who be?
Homosexual, no move.
do you feel now? You know, a few years back I was like you. I did different kinds of evil. I smoked hemp. I picked pockets. I did prostitution. And graduated into a professional robber. But one day, something happened and was left with two options. First, bring in my gang members and walk away. Secondly, let them out and die. Who wouldn't want to leave? I brought them in and I was freed. And today, I am one of those combating crime in this country.
Good for you, Sister Mary Magdalene.
I will be offering you the same options. Bring in your gang members and walk away. If you don't, you die.
Story for the cause alone.
Who are your gang members?
Ikelebe, give me way, make a pass. Even Bruce J, if you make me talk, who the sons of men be?
Ekelebe. Amata no day for your end. Wetin make you carry me come up for this school?
Wetin make I come out here pass Hamatan o?
Eh, na wetin happen?
Na that Ekelebe woman Hamatan I take come o, Benita.
Ekelebe. Oh, Benita. Yeah. That Ekelebe woman wey dey show herself anyhow for the area.
Na so.
I hope say a bag and never voice.
Na him bring me come o. Because that Ekelebe woman don't swear with brother name, say he must make a bag of voice. Caesar, if a bag of voice, now him be say water don't sweep sand, concrete enter garden.
But now you talk say you go bring them up now.
Yes, now make I come, no the one we shall pass.
Okay, throw me the broadcast, make us sabi how far I go take. No.
Sure, sir.
Okay, you sent for me.
Yes. Who is the IPO of the case involving the boy that was arrested days back?
My Inspector Benita, sir.
Benita?
Ekelebe, they swear for you. I mean, they complain, say the fear is too far. You go help me, let's spoil our more. Hey! Ekelebe, they swear for you. Ekelebe, I don't see say you didn't go church. Son of a bitch. Because if you didn't go church, if you don't say even plus J, he are not for him.
This came in last night from the boys at the ghetto.
What's the content, sir?
Just go ahead and read it.
You see within that Ekelebe, they match my face like poto.
King Jaja say make I send these brokers with you. Ekelebe go move you from here to another station. He with some guys go do some kind of action film for road. When you reach there, if you hear action, you have to stick it. So,
Ekelebe Femo, Ekelebe we sabi, John Mary for you. I do we salute double.
Next person that day with you, they hear me.
Yeah, Ekelebe Femo, uncle. May your days be long like they came back in day. Ekelebe, my wife don't join. Rice and stew.
Sir, in my opinion, I don't think we should succumb to the threat.
I don't think your opinion matters now, because I've spoken to the commissioner.
King Jaja, as me they notice some kind of Lanko movement where they sought for the area so oh boy, it sure say those Ekelebe people never they try play fast game last up.
See it's when you talk now, so I don't reason this thing. Because if that's in those sets normally, you're supposed to ring. You know, say.
No mind now. If you don't like, make him behave anyhow. You go see anyhow. Now don't forget, we still getting one leg for crossroad.
King Jaja, the matter be say any animal we already dance with the Kiri dance.
That's so now. I want to be now police.
Ekelebe.
And what is funny?
Shut up! I go put out for that body, yo. I could just like.
Kelebe, son. I tell you, sir, the junction. See, you know what's in there? Make you enter the Nkoro. When you enter the Nkoro, you go see one half done kaba. And inside there, I make I warn you. I hope say now only you dey come this waka.
I swear to God, I'm alone. You no come alone, but you go tell her.
The merchant come, the merchant come. Catch him. You sure? Yeah. Go bring the consignments. You don't cower.
I'm actually done now. Jaja, as the level be now, I go smooth. You don't know me, I don't know you. Because they claim the first, they been the monde.
Come on, they go, don't you, come on here. They go, from there.
That's what we talk about.
They go. They go. Hey,
Pass me lighter, I am a one feel like it. Yeah, man. Opobo land is where we are come from. In a we son say we fear no Babylon. Boys and guessing a me who them tear eyes them a wiser. Pull up in a hood so we are killer, we are say Opobo land is where we are come from. In a me hood so we fear no Babylon. Boys and guessing a me who them tear eyes them a wiser. Pull up in a hood so we kill and we chatter. Little rasky.
Inspector Austin.
Sir.
You said...
Send me, sir. Send me. Let me go and complete what she started.
Sit down, Inspector.
Thank you, sir.
You are letting your emotions get the better of you.
My emotions?
Yes. I'm aware that you and Benita have a secret romance going.
It wasn't all that a secret, sir. We were just being responsible police officers. Quiet. And then keeping it reserved and quiet.
I sent her because
she is a good officer. A woman who can charm her way out of any trouble. A hard nose.
Yes.
But the only mistake, sir, is that she didn't know the terrain. And that almost got her killed. But I know the terrain, sir.
Not anywhere near Benita.
Sir, I was born in Opobo land. Born and bred in Opobo land. Until the age of 17, before I left.
But that's not in your file.
That is because I didn't want it to be in my file, sir.
All right. All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
One more thing, Inspector.
Yes, sir.
About 5 minutes before you entered this office, Dr. Ken called me.
Dr. Ken?
The doctor in charge of Benita.
What did he say, sir?
I'm afraid not any good news. We lost her.
What? Yes, sir. I understand. Is there anything I need to know?
Check her case file. I'm sure everything must be intact.
Yes, sir. I already checked. And 3 pages are missing, sir.
How?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, Benita was my partner for years. We worked on several cases together. I know exactly how she files her cases. 3 pages are missing, sir.
Yeah, man. Land is where we are come from. In a we son, so we fear no Babylon. Boys and guessing on me who them tear eyes, them a wiser. Pull up in a hood, so we are killer, we are land is where we are come from. In a me hood, so we fear no Babylon. Boys and guessing on me who them tear eyes, them a wiser. Pull up in a hood, so we kill and we chatter. Little that.
Bless me. You know my papa bless me. Daddy bless me, yeah. Bless me. You know I love you. Sherima loves you so much. Bless me. You know my papa bless me. Daddy bless me, yeah. Bless me. You know I love you. Sherima loves you so much.
Cherima.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Cherima, you the sound cool.
Sherima, the messenger upon the dancing. In case you don't know, my tune come out from above. Yeah. Jah gives me inspiration, man.
Yeah, Cherima.
Yeah.
You cite Rati.
Rati?
Yeah, Rati, son of man that write letters. Letters to Jah.
Why I say? I know Rastaman write no letter. Me voice to Jah. Jah know my voice.
Cherima.
Babylonia. Smoke make them mad and they become bad. Go back mad child feeding out.
Original charger, yeah. Postman, post your letter. Your postman.
Letters there.
Original letters.
Yeah, throw some letters.
How many?
2 fingers.
Alright.
Oh, la crata! Oh, la guina! Pourquoi on ne s'est mis à la rosse? Bamba for your head. Pourquoi on ne s'est mis à la tête? Pourquoi non?
The price! My brother select!
Wait for the next time.
No time. No price, market, wake up. The penda select, I go give them. No price, market, wake up. The penda select, I go give them.
Who is that? Who is making a quest for this guy to know what? Who is that? Who is that stressful? Who is that?
Muma, as me the voice they give you so, it be Alaba with him picking them the trust on no.
Alaba the trust from Ankoro. Me turn the fire. I don't see this Alaba no one maintain. So it go sustain. No now, me go ask who maintain. Cause tomorrow I dey feel when they say planting. You papa no do. No. Let's do. Alaba! Alaba! Una bury
She did mention you.
Who?
Benita.
For waiting.
How you made her believe that the police were on a wild goose chase trying to clean Sopobo land of crime.
It's not because the word I get. See, if you see that girl don't die here, I will go where they will bring her some better slap. What is the worry? I do my job well, but at the same time, I try to do and remain alive. Oh yes, Sopobo land is a very dangerous place to walk around, especially when you wear this in the walk around.
Tell me about King Jaja II.
I tell you, say, snake, make snake kiss your mama. Kiss your papa joint. Kiss that your mouth so they take claim of king of Opobo.
I dey warn you, even though we say that king wey dey before me, we be your bobo, na my guy. If I don't last you, come your church, worship, throw small granite, come out.
They don't born you.
You dey mad.
Shut up, old man. You know fit. You fit things. For where we side? For this ghetto, they never born you. Papa, as soon as I go bring you down.
Shut up!
You carry your boy. Arrange your boy. I didn't let her join. Come send and come meet you for one Nkoro, abi?
That Nkoro, na me get her.
For your dreams.
Make it enter your hair.
For your dreams.
Make you want this, you know.
Lock up! Two of una.
Talk to this thing.
Lock up! Something they do now for head.
Tell am.
He don't take way with they make kings. We be say, if as soon as say Boko don't sleep.
Mama, that's the reason why they para be that. That's why our boys they
King Jaja, you no try at all. You no try, no talk am. See, even for heaven, Bros J no go like am.
Huh? Say waiting. Una want make dog chop shit remain for una. Not tell una something. If to say snake no get teeth, small pikin go dey carry and take do necklace. See this Nkoro na me get am. Na me get am. Na dey feel me. This Nkoro na me get am. And so you go be at the cower.
King Jaja!
You see, sir, they quiet. As for the talk, I no scatter this place because I dey in front of elders. Abi? I just dey quiet because you be our elders for this ghetto. And according to Bros J book, he say honor thy father and thy mother, and even elders like now. So your days go shaking, e go long. That's why they quiet.
When I said these guys don't change route, this one is smart. They're too smart. Hi! Don't change route sharp.
So which way in particular did they go?
You ask me. Like say, na me they decide where did they go. Ha!
But sir, it's past patrol hour. Please let's go back to the station.
I think you're right. You're very, very right. Yes. Oh.
Hold on. Let us wait for a little while.
Sir, I think Inspector Femi is right. Those guys are not fool. Till we start withdrawing.
You no go see these boys. These boys, they smart like bejo rats. You don't see where trap catch bejo rat before? They come, they chop what you take put for bed for them small, chop and small, okay, disappear. You come, they see a trap. If you say me will sleep here, I know what.
4, 5, 6, 5, 3.
Alright, let's go. big mama. Area mama, me say yo.
Ratty!
Big mama.
I mean, be like that in the collar.
Me say yo.
Me say you.
Me say yo, mama.
With the fake part where we now they speak.
No, mama. Me no chant fake patois. It's your brother that chant fake patois.
Ha!
No.
No look face. Fear don't catch you anymore. Cause stop that rubbish show. Go punish the person who give you liver where you use. May that liver rot in you the craze.
Yeah, mama. I jobale for you. I jobale. Bomale. Your blood for my hand. Before my legs, John.
I don't come down from my high horse now. I don't beg you, may forgive and make battle now.
Bomale. You know say for this ghetto, forgiveness now sin.
Hey, I follow John make the law now. I no talk in a lie, but come. Now me won't break am, not vex. Bring one there.
Yo, mama. Big mama Africa.
Take this one, carry all your stuff away now.
Nacho. Male. Area mama. Modobale friend.
Correct.
Male.
Go on. Carry your proposal go do for that side now.
Let it be like that.
Take care. No vex. Make your ear no drop. Put this away well.
Male mama.
Greetings, Brother Fizarra.
Go that side, Chris.
Oban.
Shana, you're mad, oh. I am warn you for this ghetto. You're too much, oh. He don't say my blood and I go smoke you one day, the Chris.
What I said? Let me tell you. We don't like you. We don't like our friends, them. Those little thieves, them. We don't like our way you work here.
God punish you. God! He know we say the blood when we share, eh? He know we say, nah, me, pal, and mama leave you for, eh? Shariba, I for kill you. Now that agenda can take strangle you. You're mad.
See, if you kill me, you have no brother.
Area mama. Come relax. Don't let Sharima can spoil our campaign, yeah?
Why I say where they talk like that? You dey crazy?
Yo, area mama, calm down. Settle down.
Sharima, now the only cross where Bros J give me be that. The guy, I go. You wrap this thing quick.
Oh,
you dey shake.
Calm down, Pandis.
I go wipe your food. Calm down. Your father.
King Jaja, I open my heart for you. The hand will fall you. Not try to. The stone with them throw will enter ghost. Because if I catch or you're free, I go kill him, peel him, fry him, make us sustain, then chop him to come maintain. King Jaja, forever you be my Oga. Now wait.
What's up now? Why you dey shout? You dey open eye for? Cause I better not shout for me. I think they hear me. Sure. What carry me quiet and make you call clean church? Church got dirty. We get to clean now.
I no want worship for your church. And the voice in my Oga.
What's it concern me? Concern you, Oga will die. Bros who die don't die through me.
But I swear, I go catch the hand with mother. Peel am like plantain. Come fry am to sustain. Then come chop am to maintain.
So what is your story not concern me? You yes na make it the man. You cannot know. You yes I get hand for the mandate. Bros, I use God beg. Come shine church. Let me come. I beg.
I no fit now.
How you go say you no fit? You go fit, oh. Bros, you go fit. Because if you not fit, another person go fit. You know there's no that. Oh, boy, for me, you go fit. You go fit for the matter. Even Bros J book talk and say, who died, don't die. Who they are like, they go wrong to do their life. After I will carry this show on that place.
Now waiting.
Pale, water done dirty.
Wait.
Cause no clear at all.
Yeah.
Let me define you.
Inspector Nove, so you know say now the confusion will hold everybody, will even hold you too. That time where those small pikin begin attack person. So in the midst of that confusion, me I don't even know when the boy take disappear.
Don't tell me that. What are you talking about, Femi? You had that boy. The best you could have done is to hold on to him until whatever is over. But you couldn't. You are a trained police officer, for goodness sake. That boy was the only boy we caught, and he could have led us to others. But you screwed it all up.
No verse. This thing can happen to anybody. But I promise you, it will happen again.
You know, if it happens again, you will not only be answering to me, but you will answer to the state.
Thank you.
You know, Femi, you know, sometimes I feel everything that is happening in our deliberate act. Or do you think it's a coincidence?
Coincidence? What will be the coincidence?
You know, the other day, you were very close to catching that guy that was selling Indian hemp. But you couldn't get him. And then when we met after the split, you couldn't even tell the direction he went. Was that a coincidence? Given what happened today too?
Inspector, wait. What do you want to talk? Are you trying to say?
I am not saying anything. I am asking you. Is it a coincidence?
Give me the lighter. Pass me the ganja. Woo! Roll up the razor. Higher. Let it smoke pop. Let it smoke pop in a ear.
My sister, me don't like this kind of song. This song is feed the children of the night. Me sing songs of desire.
Play the one where it's happy.
But then no, but then give respect to the boy. Tell him upon the dance, eh? Amigo. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying.
One love.
Hear the children crying.
One heart. Keep up and praise. Woo! Come on!
Let's get together and
Buy a charger, original charger. Buy a charger, original.
You know they shut up your mouth here. Chop winch. Where they shout anyhow. Eh? You see a kelebe here where you can't lie saying a charger, you buy a charger. Who don't know say na Igbo market they sell? Eh?
Yo, big mama, you dey just me. Eh? Greetings.
How far? How much?
Everything nice, mama.
I hope say you know hide money inside your inner pocket for that bag.
No, area tight, but son of man try, you know.
Hey, bring them out now. Huh? Still me, you try. So ma confirm. And the remainder.
Yes, mama.
I need to collect all this small change. If you dey carry it heavy.
Yo, mama.
Correct.
Not easy.
Confirm now, confirm.
Yeah, mama.
Area mama, you go shine your eye. You go shine your eye for the area. Because it be like say somebody don't throw the broadcast, give those elder there. Best don't say you are not the omina. And as we know, them courts never reach them.
Who be that person? You take no worry, you jet. I go rearrange, go see them. You dey go now.
Oh, big mama. Area mama.
That boy.
Big mama.
Yeah, we go dey talk.
Your area big mama. Area big mama. Buy your charger, original charger. Your charger, original charger.
Children of the night. Leko thieves then.
You be mumu. See as you dey cough like mad person. Eh? This one nice girl, baby. Jaratafa nonsense. Eh? Take small, you go see plenty. Eh? You hear me?
Me no do that. Me no do SK. Last time I do no weed. He smoke no weed. Me sister, me want ask. Which time we go come off from this income? Huh?
Shut up, your man.
Leko thieves.
Shop weed. I mean, they open that your gut away, come out, they talk rubbish. Eh? Come, you tell me, you say we will come out for this ghetto. You know say like this ghetto pala mama last come out to us from under. Eh? Don't be on top this ghetto so papa and mama breed both of us. Don't forget. Now, on top which land papa and mama buy, no be on top this ghetto land. You don't say we will come out for this income. Now, tell me, Sherima, which Nkoro better pass this Opobo land?
See, make it better Nkoro. Food here. They break the year. Better Nkoro say, I go. You know, say the good singer. I go, they sing, they make money, we go enjoy, they flex, they ball, they go. Huh? Nkoro food now.
Shut up your mouth there! Oh, show fool now. Now you don't know where you go fish. See, rat, my sharp boy. Rat, you go market my thing, you know. Correct, you go sell them. Bring money come, take my own square, you know. You sit down there, they do twanga on top of your book.
Last time I do no shady deals. Children of the night. They do no drugs.
Now, make I tell you. Your Jar Rasta boy, if they do any rubbish with his Twanga guitar. But no, put down your mouth. Tell me, see, make I come up for this ghetto to one call. If you tell me again, I'll break your head.
Mrs. Repent.
Repent? Yeah. Go tell your mama for great, make you repent.
Repent.
Next time you open down your gutter, tell me rubbish, I go take something, burn down your nyash.
Meleko sister, repent.
Hey, Chris.
Repent.
I don't know why you be my brother, so I will go ask my papa.
Buy your charger, original charger. You buy your charger, original charger. Yo, poopa the poopa. Buy your charger, original charger. Good morning.
Rati Rombo.
Get the charger, original charger. Poopa, good morning.
Good morning,
Poopa the poopa. Yo, papa, waiting there. It be like say your letter don't cover.
What are they finished for River Niger?
Poopa the poopa. You are too much poopa, you know.
Thank you.
You are too much.
Yeah.
We believe you.
Rati.
Yeah, poopa.
Me not hear any winch sound lately. No broadcast. But me I will say area mama hit me la.
Poopa. Me not fit voice so. The better say area mama use her own mouth and you waiting there, see? Yes, sir.
That's it, be.
If it's so. Your poopa make a jet immediately, you know.
Okay.
May your days belong. May your days belong, poopa. Buy your charger, original charger. Yo, poopa. You bless that poopa. Buy your charger, original charger.
Who yarn when I say I hit Omela?
I say make you shut up.
Make God punish devil. When are they yarn for wilderness? They voice aloud. You think say Bros J no they follow me the yarn?
Mama, I beg, shut up. No verse, I say you shut up. No, they follow me, they ring bell for my head. What's happen? Cause no, they talk Bros J name anyhow. No, they lie on top Bros J. Because if Bros J come and somehow you slap you see what happen to you, happen to your generation, you no go feel whole ammo. Why you dey lie on top Bros J? We don't know the two that they do for this ministry. Oh, join and wash for this ministry. Come now, Ekelebe if you wash. Now then if you camouflage, don't be me. We know say now. If you open this your Bros J book here, now Shaka Fula. No, they talk that kind of thing for me.
Mama, wait. Leave matter for Matthias, eh?
Cause una move to my side. Yes, I go settle. Don't try to no be wahala. I go settle now. Leave the rest for me. Yes.
Now what be that?
I want to put alaba now.
Eh? Go punish devil.
Una dey my side, I be. I don't want dey my side. Me una offer.
So now why you carry me come here? Everything happen. King Jaja. Hey, come. Who be this killing? Who you carry come here? Eh?
Kelebe, wetin be all this rubbish now? Why can't we call the beat the same air with this?
Shut your mouth there, man.
That's not how put the fire in the yard and look for the crate.
Calm down. How you go bring me go make this in the talk to me?
Your father, yes!
See, I look your face, I see the way you feel like monkey. By the time I finish with you, you don't go feel like nobody gonna recognize you.
Just shut up, don't chop shit, you wait for your papa. Apala, I be your papa. Leave that one.
Calm down first, calm down. I don't want to be for me, calm down. Stop all this wahala before they go bring that over. See, you're safe with the woman. We can't shoot the leke. Come shoot that back and just leg join.
Together, Papa, man, tell you something. Apala, I be your papa.
Shut your mouth! I don't warn you. See, you don't do much.
Papa!
With you, eh? Nobody gonna go your face again.
Hey, follow me, talk rubbish.
See, man.
Come and tell something for talk. Customer care.
Your SIM card done lost. Your SIM card done lost.
Papa, if you start, they'll finish you.
Man is so unjust. Shoot him, young man, know who to trust.
Hello? Didn't I tell you never to call this line again?
You should have let us be. Sending your men to kill mine in this Popo land is not permitted.
My men did their job. Nonsense.
Oh my God! Inspector, what is the meaning of this?
remember me? Sneaky, your brother.
Sneaky.
Oh. Oga, all the criminal activities where the Opobo land are now under threat.
Exactly what we want, isn't it?
Ah, okay. Oga, what about a man where they kidnap your wife and daughter? He had to set a criminal who will get under custody here free, so he can go and join his gang and start doing their business, so that he himself go meet with the family.
Femi, what do you know?
I got plenty things so. I know that a bagger's transfer was planned by you. I also know that Inspector Benita with the key was killed out of your own selfish interest. I equally know...
Shut up! Enough of this nonsense.
I know plenty things so. Waiting, I know if I talk and hear you go faint. But don't worry. Your secret is safe with me. You see, Femi no get problem. Femi's case now only give me small tithes from waiting you get. Everybody go there happy. You see the condition? You have to be paying 70% of your monthly earning into my own personal account until I say otherwise.
Otherwise what? Listen to me, Femi. Blackmail is a dirty business, and you can get your fingers burnt. Be warned.
Okay, Finelejo, leave matter for Matthias. Sending an innocent and courageous officer to death for nothing is also a dangerous game that can burn your feet, your leg, your hand, your biabia, your everything. See, okay? Femi is an officer who don't get patience. But for you, I go stretch and small. Wait for you aside. Make you consider what I tell you. At the way too. I leave you to think about it. I'm waiting. When I let you come.
You dey crazy about chop winch? Eh? Look, Sneaky, you dey fold my hand. No be you go come out here. You don't come. Say you be done waiting. Ekelebe.
Mafia.
They call me that name. They spoil my belly. Even though I me get the name. But now call me Alaba.
Alaba, tell me, how did you end up being the king of Opobo land?
It's a tough neighborhood, bro. Is it that you keep your wrath or you keep your glory?
What happened to all the dreams of you going to the university, acquiring a degree and becoming a film director?
I did direct